everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been a little bit MIA over the recent months, but I am back and I've been in isolation for a week, so I thought I would make a video on all the things that I got from IKEA and Kmart just prior to me going into isolation that I got for my classroom. So I thought I'd take you through all the bits and bobs that I got and what I'm going to use them for and how much they cost. And yes. Okay, so this year I've moved into a new classroom and I'm really excited to have a fresh space. I love my old classroom, but I'm excited to have a new space and somewhere that I can set up, you know, with a bit of a fresh look and a fresh face. So I'm starting off with a little bit of a reading corner, which I haven't really had in the last few years, so I'm excited to put that together. So I grabbed a few things from IKEA and Kmart that are going to make that space really cozy. So one of the first things I got was this, I think it's actually a doormat, but it's like this. Hopefully you can see that. I got two of those and they were $6 each, which is such a bargain from IKEA. And I'm gonna lay them side by side in the little corner to create like a little bit of a carpet space for the reading corner. So $6 for those, I got two. And then to go with, I got these cushions. I got two of these cushions from IKEA. And then I got two of these cushions from Kmart. This one from IKEA I think was $12. These ones were like 10-ish, so I got two of these, and I also got two of these ones as well, so hopefully that will make the space nice and cozy. I also picked up these koala soft toy because we're doing Australian animals in this first term, so I found that at IKEA and I thought that was super cute. So picked up one of those and hopefully I can collect some more plush toys over the next few weeks of the other Australian animals that we have. Then I know lots of teachers have these, but I got these spinner and I'm hoping to use this for a couple of things. First of all, it was $5. Like, what a win. So I'm hoping to use it at the beginning of the year for selecting which child will share their me bag. So our preps or kindergartners do a bag about them. Really great speaking and listening activities. So they're bringing a bag with photos and little toys and things that help them talk about themselves and introduce themselves. So each day we kind of get through two or three. And I thought I'd put all of the kids' names onto each of the triangles on the spinner, and that's how we can choose who gets to go that day. And then later in the year I think I'll use it for some sort of behaviour management or selecting, you know, a class game or something like that. But for $5 I couldn't pass it up. I also grabbed, and I haven't taken it out of the plastic yet, and I don't really want to because it's way too good to take this to school in the plastic, but a car mat. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, there you go. But these are super expensive. Like if you buy one of these at Officeworks or like Toy World or any of those places, they're like upwards of $40, and IKEA sell them for $10. So winning. This is 75 centimeters by 133 centimeters. So it's not overly big, but it's great for a soft start and that sort of play-based learning, particularly at the beginning of the year when the preps are just coming in. Okay, I also grabbed these mirrors. So this is a pack of 4 mirrors, and the size of the mirror is 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, so reasonably decent, and there's 4 in there for $10. So I'm going to set this up in a like grid and use that for a sort of affirmation station. So I've got some really cute little quotes to go around the edge, and I'll probably put that near the reading corner with the cushions and the blankets and stuff. So I got those for $10 in a 4-pack. Then I also picked up these mini mirrors, I don't know if you can see there, and they are 13 centimeters by 18 centimeters, and I picked up 6 of them, $1.50 each. So I will use those for like centers, like rotations, for speech artic or just little bits and pieces. Sometimes we'll even use them to play on. I've seen lots of people use mirrors in a really creative way, so I thought I'd pick those up. If you have any great ideas, please comment below. For $1.50, I thought I could not go past that. And then I also got from IKEA a set of desk drawers. My new classroom does not have a desk, so I plan on using a bench space. So I just grabbed a set of 2 drawers, which I've already made up from the flat pack, and that will just hold all my teacher things in it, my sticky tape, staplers, staple gun, markers, pens, sticky notes, that sort of stuff. I also have a teacher toolbox which needs a revamp, but between those 2 things, and the drawers that I got from IKEA were kind of expensive. They were $80, but so worth it to have that nice clean space, and they fit perfectly just under the bench that's set in the wall in my new classroom. I also picked up some of these containers, which are a personal thing. They're not even for the classroom, but IKEA, honestly, I don't know why I don't shop there more often. It is an hour away from where I live, but so worth it, because these containers, you buy them the lid and the container separately. The container is $3.50 and it's glass, and then the lid is $1.50. So for like $5, you've got this really decent container that's got the lid like fully clips around the sides, and because it's glass, it can go in the microwave, whereas all those beautiful bento boxes can't go in the microwave. So this is perfect for your leftovers. I love taking like leftover spaghetti bolognese and things like that. So yeah, so worth it for $5. I picked up the tea light candles. I work at a Catholic school, so we use tea light candles when we're talking about religion. We make them Lent bags at Easter time, and we pop a candle in each, and this is a bag of 100 for $4 or something ridiculous. So picked up some of those. We'll use some at home, we'll take some to school. That's such a bargain. Okay, so I also picked up this pencil light, which I thought was so cute, and I had it on in the shop. But I love it because it kind of gives like this really cool kind of aura, I guess. And I thought it'd be super cool for meditation and things like that, when you've got all the lights out in the classroom and then just this coloured light, something for the kids to focus on, especially if they're not well practiced at meditation, which obviously kindergarten kids are usually not. But also I thought it was a super nice way of keeping kids calm, like in a calming corner with the fidget toys and things like that. You could have the light on as well, just giving them something to focus on and something to look at. So I thought that was super cute. I think that was like $30. It was kind of expensive, but worth it because it's so cute. I think that's all I got from IKEA. Spent like $200, but got so much stuff for it, so it was kind of worth it. And then I went to Kmart, so I got a few things from Kmart. I got these books. I got The Cool Bean. I also have The Good Egg and The Bad Seed. So between the 3 of those, such cute books. If you don't have them, definitely get onto them. I also picked up this book called Respect. I already have Persistence, and it was such a good way for the kids to relate to the story. Sometimes persistence and resilience and words like that are really hard for perhaps to grasp and understand and get their heads around. So these books just give them real life examples of how these character traits were shown, and yeah, the kids really loved the persistence ones last year, so I picked up Respect. And the last one I got was Pete Crowman's Bush Life book. We're doing Australian animals, as I mentioned before, and this book goes through some of the most beautiful Australian animals that live in our bush. So here's the magpie page, it's just got some little bit of information, and obviously gorgeous illustrations, sorry. So we'll definitely be able to get into that and maybe do some artwork around it as well. And also picked up from Kmart these buckets, and I did post all these on my Instagram, but I've already used the Cricut to label them. So I've got a sharp and a blunt, and I use these for my grey leads. So my grey leads don't live with the kids, they live on a table at the front of the room, and so they can, all the sharp ones will be in here, and once the grey lead is blunt they can pop it into this bucket, and then at the end of every day the bucket can be, all of the pencils in the bucket can be sharpened and then moved into the sharp bucket for the next day. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my spare ones yet, but I just grabbed 4 of them. They were $5 each at Kmart. And then I went to Aldi and picked up a couple of the Macca books that I didn't have. Aldi had them on sale for $5. Aldi has the best school buys, so if you are trying to set up your classroom, always check out Aldi for books, stickers, and occasionally some manipulative type things that they have. It's just a bit hit and miss as to when you can grab them. Sometimes they sell out pretty quick. So I hope you enjoyed my little IKEA / Kmart / Aldi haul. I am getting ready to go into my classroom. I've been in isolation for a week because of COVID, so I've been preparing lots of things, doing lots of printing, bought the big printer home, printing lots of things, getting everything ready so that when I go back to school and do my classroom setup, I've got it all and I can just put it up. I have started filming a classroom setup video, and I will finish that off this week when I go back into school. And please let me know if there's any other videos that you would like to see. Have a great day. Bye!